Hi, I'm Michael. I'm switching careers into AI programming, and this is our weekly update where we pretend that you are my manager and this is our one-on-one. This is week 5, let's get into it. What I'm working on. This might just be the last week of working on this app. What I need help with. All my functional code is in one large file, like 700 lines long. I need help splitting that into different activities. What I did, okay, I got some good stuff done this week. I reached out to Brompton for informational interviews. They have AI teams. This is exciting. I added the icon to the app and to the splash screen so it looks legitimate. I changed the APIs. I added a loading state and 2 more buttons. What is parked? Nothing. What is completed? Nothing. Other things to flag. I'm near Winnipeg for the next week, and in 3 weeks, the Masters in Data Science starts. That's exciting and a little scary. Something fun from this week. My app uses a map API to put places on a map, and it's limited to 20 places. I managed to get it to bump that up to 60, and I'm still at the point of learning where when I can improve a core functionality, it just feels like I have magical powers. What did I like about the work? Oh, you know what? I like that it feels like a grind. I like that when I had a long day of coding, my brain felt tired at the end and it felt like I had actually worked hard. And not every task or challenge gives me that satisfaction. Something I struggled with this week was pinpointing the issue. Case in point, I was having trouble with the splash screen. That is when you click your app on your phone, and before the actual app functionality opens up, there's a screen that displays either that app's name or its main icon. And my main icon kept being cut off. First, I wrote code to manage the splash page, but there was no difference there. Then, I tried to add error logs to see what image was being pulled, but that particular kind of error log turns out to be very hard. Finally, I changed every image I had of that icon to a different solid color, and that let me visually see, oh, it's pulling from this image. Once I got there, I could ask chat, hey, why is it pulling from this image? And then chat said, oh, well, it's because there's a new API, and if you don't have that line of code in, all the work that we've been doing for several hours is not going to have any effect. So at that point, the solution became very clear and very easy. But I had to figure out exactly what the problem was first. And I'm glad I fixed it. I'm glad that I tried a bunch of different solutions to get there. But next time, I'd like to get there faster. Something I used to think, but now understand better, is how much time different tasks actually take and how complicated they actually are. Coding through this project has given me a much better sense of what is straightforward and what is going to take a few hours. And that's it. To sign off this week, I want to thank my parents. I'm able to focus on doing this stuff because they're out here taking care of the food, they're maintaining the cottage, and they're pretty good company.